Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you what types of characters or how many characters or the letters are allowed in the TikTok. So let's get started. So first of all, see. So if you want to pick a username or if you want to use anything on the TikTok, it should be must like under 24 characteristics. So as you can see, if you have changed one time your username, so you can just change like next time after 30 days. If you see here, uh, you can just choose your TikTok username uniquely and easily, like you can see for some girls idea, okay, and for the men's idea too. So by this way you can do it. And if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.